If you've been searching for a VW Amarok, then please stop and watch this video because in my opinion, you will not find a better one than this. It's a 74 plate PanAmericana VW Amarok, 3-litre V6, VAT qualifying, some 13,000 miles. It's then had a full exterior overhaul, front, side, rear, extra specification, extra factory options. The exterior styling has been done by Leighton Vans, and those of you who are into VW campers and VW transporters and anything VW will know who Leighton Vans are. So the conversion has been done by them. It's got features like Predator bull bar, wide arches, 20-inch Predator wheels. It's a great looking truck. Then you get down to the practical and the financial side of things. It comes with VW's 5+ promise, which is a 5-year service plan, 5-year warranty, all from VW. And with 13,000 miles on, it is in fantastic condition. The colour, midnight black, it just gives that very aggressive look. You've even got these upgraded laser front lights, which you've just seen there. Wide arches, 20-inch Predator wheels in satin black. Again, just give that full exterior style that people want. PanAmericana badging, and PanAmericana in the lineup is pretty much up at the top, because then when you see features like this on the interior, you've got the upgraded leather, comes with that cricket ball stitching. You've then got features like Harman Kardon, 360 camera. You've got that huge tablet display that was introduced in the Amarok. 4-wheel drive, obviously, and it's powered by the engine you would want, that 3-litre V6. Now, if you are going to use this as a work machine or you are going to tow, then your Towbar is there, brand new, ready to pop on. It's already been bed lined, and it also comes with an electronic roller shutter, which either works from the key or you've got buttons on the back there as well, so whatever is going into your boot or into your cargo space is going to be safe. Now this, for me, as far as an Amarok is concerned, it has the engine, it has the 5+ promise, it has the exterior styling, and then it has the spec when you get to the interior as well. Have a look at that from a driver's point of view. You would not think, if you've seen a photo of that interior, that you were driving a pickup. So you have all the practicalities that come with a pickup, but then you get to drive, in my opinion, in pure luxury. Have a look at the seats. They're electric setting, heated. You've then got features like I mentioned earlier, Harman Kardon, so if you're into your music, but then your steering wheel has everything else. So, adaptive cruise with lane keep assist. Then you have a digital dash, which you'll have seen in pretty much all the VW products, which has everything else on, range, fuel, navigation if you wanted it on there. Have a look at the size of that screen, massive tablet screen. That has your navigation, your media, Apple CarPlay if you want to use that. Rear view, aerial view camera. Your heated seats, your climate control, all control from there. Wireless charging pad. Just an unbelievable machine. If you have a little go around the front, I'll show you what those laser upgraded lights look like. It's done just over 13,000 miles. It's just exactly what anyone would want. I believe when it was bought from Leighton Vans, it was in excess of £70,000. So you're saving a lot of money. It's been done with excellent craftsmanship by one of the most popular companies in the country when it comes to VW customization. This will sell incredibly quick, and it's not a sales pitch, it's not anything to do with that, it's just a genuine fact. So if you are in the market for this particular one, or you want a unique one, you won't find any better. So if you want to have a chat about how you want to buy it, how you want to fund it, if you have a part exchange, any questions, if you want to come and see it, give me a call on my number, you'll find it in the description. Any questions, I'll get them answered, and I look forward to speaking to you.